I'm ready for you.
May I introduce myself? My name is Kacharin Geram. What is your name?
Francis. My name is Francis.
Where are you from?
France. France. Yes, I come from France.
Can you speak Thai?
Oh, I don't speak Thai. Just Midnoy.
Central?
My Dai Put Kasatai. Up.
What is your hobby?
Oh, hobby. I like to work, but I like to work in computer. 50% retired. Before I had one company for air conditioning.
Where are you working?
In France. West part of France.
Do you like your work?
Yes, very much.
Do you think about your job seems to be difficult?
But, sorry?
Do you think about your job seems to be difficult?
Stop was not difficult because when I stopped working, after I had a lot of things to do before, and I continued to work for my idea about 50%, 30%.
What do you think about your job?
My job is I was the boss of everything. I have so many problems. I was happy to stop.
Please tell me about interacting with your job.
Interesting is management, technical problems every day have more that change every time. It's not one constant job. You have to change, you have to invent new people. Lot of things to try every day.
Thank you very much for spending your time with us. Nice
Thank
to meet
you.
you.
There's only two types of people in the world. The ones that entertain and the ones that observe. Well, baby, I'm a put on a show kind of girl. Don't like the backseat, gotta be first.